I made a video like this a couple years back when I first learned how to light a smoker, and I've changed how I light my smoker since then, and I've changed the fuel I use to light my smoker. So I used to use pine needles, and then I started using pine shavings from the pet store, and this year I've just literally been using just paper in my smoker. That's it. I start off with some sort of lighter paper like this, kind of loosely balled up with a little tail at the top to light. This is totally cold, hasn't been lit. So you want this to just get hot, and that's gonna burn pretty quickly because it's just kind of loosely balled paper. What you wanna do is get some ashes going in there, some embers. Once you got a fire lit, then you take your brown paper bag paper, something heavier, and this I just make a really tight, sort of like a tight log of paper, and it's gonna burn a lot slower. Just drop that in there, do that a few times. You want it to be tight and nice and packed so it'll just kind of smolder in there. Just like that. And that's just that's a super cool smoke right there. Okay? Close that lid and it's just gonna smolder that'll smolder for an hour. When you notice the smoker getting light and there's just kind of embers jiggling around in there, you can ball up another nice tight ball and put it in there before the embers go away, and it'll start all over again. So that's it. How to light a smoker with paper and nothing else.